So friends, if you're wondering how to download statement from Kotak 811 application, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the first thing you have to do is just simply open Kotak 811 application in your mobile phone. And it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you open the app, complete the login process, and this is how the interface will look like. At the top, you can check out your balance. If you tap on it, you will be able to see your balance. Again, if you tap on it, the balance will be hidden. Now, if you want to download statement, the process is simple. You can go down on the home page, and down here you get an option of transaction. So basically you can check out the transaction list. If you tap on view more option, on the next page, you get direct option to download statement. So if you tap on it, you will get a pop-up screen. You can select type of statement over here. So if you want to download statement for your saving account, you can select saving account and it will take you to download statement page. So this is one way of getting over here. Another way is on the home page itself, below transaction list, you get an option of account statement. You can tap on it and then again you can see the same pop-up screen which we saw moments earlier. Again select saving account and you will be taken to the same page. Now over here you have to select date range. Like if you want statement for current month, you can select that. If you want statement for last 3 months, you can select that. And if you want statement for current financial year, you have that option as well. But if you want to select a specific date, you can tap on custom and over here you can select from and to date. For now, just for example purpose, I'm going to select last 3 months option. After that, you can select the type. If you want statement in PDF format or CSV format, you can select that. I want it in PDF format. Now, how you want the statement? You want to download it or else you want the statement on your email ID. If you want the statement on email ID, you can select email. But if you want to directly download the statement, simply tap on download option and then select confirm. And now you can see it is directly showing me statement for last 3 months. You can check the statement over here. And if you want to download it, tap on download. And where you want to save it, if you want to save it to files, you can select that. In Android phone, you can select different location. So I want to save this file in downloads. I am going to tap on save and it's done. Now if I go to files, this is the account statement. You can tap on it and you can check out your statement like this. So this is how simple it is to download statement using Kotak 811 application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.